So how do cities and towns handle real estate taxes every year, and why do you get these bills at crazy times during the year? Well, for folks, the first thing you got to understand is that the assessor's office places a value on your property every year, and then the tax collector calculates your yearly taxes based upon that value. Now, every city and town goes off of a fiscal year. The fiscal year actually straddles the calendar year, folks. So the Happy New Year for the fiscal year is July 1st of every year. Most cities and towns in Massachusetts are on a quarterly basis, so you're going to have 4 quarters every year. And your due dates are the middle months every year. So that's why you get the tax bills when you do, and it's going to cover 3 months at a time. And so when you close or sell your property, depends on whether you pay your taxes as to whether you're going to get an adjustment back for your real estate taxes at the time of closing. Now, if you close at a different time in the month, you might actually have to pay out money to the buyer. Dave Ceruolo, CeruloLaw.com.